Voiceover on. Shortcuts. Done. Button. Done. Button.
Hello, and welcome back to Tech Tips. My name is Aaron Hoffman. This is part 3 of the iOS Shortcuts speaker app. Today we are finishing up building our public speaking machine. In the first lecture, we gave a broad overview of the project. In the second lecture, we made a nice bare-bones skeleton of the project. In this third and final lecture, we will put meat on the bones and add details. This will come in 3 parts. Our first part is going to be our list. We are going to fix up this list. We will add a list item and we will change the other list items. The second part of this fix is going to be changing the duration that the iOS waits for a response. No matter how fast you are, I don't think you could get through each topic in 1 second. The third and final fix will be to change one of the magic variables in the speaking action to a more static text of complete. So let's get started. I'm first going to go into the list item, and then I'm going to modify the 1 and 2 items. I'm going to change them to something along the lines of introduce the topic, explain the topic, and then finally I'm going to add another item, which will be conclude the topic. Let's get started. I'm going to swipe down.
Speaker. Details. Scripting. Reorder. 1. Text field. Text field is editing. 1. E. N. Capo.
Here I will write introduce the topic.
November. Tang. Romeo. Uniform. Char. Echo. Introduce. Tang. Hotel. The. Tango. Oscar. India. Charlie. Topic. Done. Done. Button. Speaker. Heading.
Now I will verify that the number 1 item has been replaced with our introduce the topic line.
Details. Scripting. Reorder. Introduce the topic. Text field. Insert add new item button.
Perfect. It has. Now before I add a new item, I'm going to go backwards and replace the number 2 command with explain the topic further.
2. Text field. Text field. O. W. Cap T. X-ray. Papa. Alpha. India. Mike. Explain. Space. M. November. Explain. Hotel. The. Oscar. Charlie. Topic. Done. Done. Button.
Let me verify it.
Speaker. Details. Scripting. List action. Reorder. Introduce the topic. Reorder. Explain the topic. Text field. Insert add new item button.
Perfect. Our second one has been replaced, and now we're going to add a third line item to conclude the topic and thank the audience.
Insert add new item. November. Charlie. Lima. Delta. Conclude. Oscar. Pop. India. X-ray. Topics. Alpha. November. And. Tang. Alpha. November. Kilo. Thank. Alpha. Uniform. Delta. India. November. Charlie. Echo. Audience. Done. Done. Button. Scripting. Conclude topics and thank audience. Text field.
Perfect. That sounds fantastic. So now we have our 3 line items in the list.
List action. Heading.
I'll go through them now.
Reorder. Introduce the topic. Text. Reorder. But explain the topic. Reorder. Include topics and thank audience. Insert add new item button.
Perfect. We now have 3 items we can talk on. Our second fix will be changing our waiting period from 1 second to 3 seconds. Ha ha ha. From 1 second to 30 seconds. That would make much more sense. So I'm going to swipe up with 3 fingers, and I'm going to find the wait or sleep command, and I'm going to change it with an increment decrement button.
Scripting. Page 2 of 3. Inside of repeat with each scripting. Wait 1 second. Decrement. Dimmed button.
Now I hear decrement. I am going to go to increment and change it to 30 seconds.
Dismiss pop-up. Increment button. Increment. 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 Dismiss pop-up. Inside of repeat with each scripting. Wait 30 seconds.
Perfect. Perfect. Unfortunately, increment and decrement, it doesn't read right now, so you have to make a guess on where your number of taps or your hold and release is. But when you double tap to close, it will read to you.
Inside of repeat with each scripting. Wait 30 seconds.
Perfect. Next and last, we're going to find the speak command outside of our repeat loop, and we're going to change the magic variable to a static variable.
Page 4 of 4. Page 4 of 4. Documents. Speak. Repeat results.
Now that I'm inside, I'm going to find the keyboard, and I'm going to erase the repeat results. And I will type the word complete.
Show more. As repeat results. Done. But rename button. Show keyboard button. Show keyboard variables button. Delete. Space. Repeat results. Cap. Charlie, Oscar, Mike, Papa, Lima, Echo, Tango, Echo. Done. Shortcuts, documents, speak, complete.
Perfect. It looks like I'm just in time for lunch. So now I'm going to go up, and I'm going to find the Done button to save our shortcut. Thank you for joining me.
Page 1 of 3. Cellular, 2 of 4. Notification, scripted, repeat, add new, insert, include, done, button. Shortcuts. Speaker, 7 actions, button.
Perfect. There is our completed shortcut, all ready to go. Thank you for joining me.